Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. In today's workout, we are getting started in 10 seconds. As always, the preview is over here on my right. On your left, the clock is going to be on that wall. We're starting in 5 seconds with no jumping jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So this entire workout, work intervals will be 1 minute and 15 seconds long. And the rest intervals will only be 15 seconds long throughout. We have 10 different no repeat exercises. We are not getting down on the floor, and we are not using any weights or any other kind of equipment. All I expect you is to get up and move a little bit with me. If you're coming back from injury, if you're new to working out, if you just want to move a little bit, this is a perfect workout for you. So we got another 35 seconds left before we switch over to the next exercise. Yes, even though there's no weights, doing jumping jacks for 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm sure you're feeling the shoulders right now, and that's good. 20 seconds left. Keep moving with me, guys. 15, 10, so we got a few more left. Keep going, keep moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you can finally relax those arms, all right? And this one, arms are not really involved. We're walking in place, a high knee walk. You guys ready to go? Like I said, short breaks today, so don't forget, if you're gonna grab that water, do it quickly. You ready? And let's go, just walk high knees. Nice and easy, that's all I expect from you today. Like I said, beginner workout. This is Fit After 50, by the way. My name is Paul. Workouts come on every Monday and every single Thursday for over 5 years right now. The Monday workout is a little more difficult, and the Thursday workout has a tendency to be a little bit of a more beginner workout like this one is. And today we are moving, and we are moving quite a bit. Keep it up. About halfway down the interval. About 30 seconds left at this point. 25 seconds. Keep moving, guys. Like I said, if this is your first workout, this is perfect. Do as much as you can. Just do a little bit every single day. And don't overdo it, especially during the first month or so. Build consistency over anything else. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax and shake everything out. Now we do a squat to a pickup. Don't have to squat all the way down to the ground. I'm not planning on it. Pretend you're picking up something off the floor and then raise it over your head. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Squat down a little bit and pick it up. Squat down and up. You know what? You probably find yourself going into a deeper squat as this exercise progresses, but do what you can and keep moving. Down, up, down, up. It's all about moving a little bit and raising your heart rate. That's why we're here today. Keep it up. 45 seconds left. A lot more boxes to pick up. Let's go. We're not repeating any exercises today. We're just moving. They say our metabolism slows down when you cross 40, 50, 60 years old. It does. I'm not gonna argue with that, but you know what slows down mostly? Us. A lot of us have desk jobs, and then we get home and we're tired, and we just sit on the couch, and we just don't move as much as we used to. But these type of workouts, make sure you move just at least a little 15, 20 minutes a day, without killing yourself. 3, 2, 1, and we are done, and we're resting. Elbow to knee, this one's gonna be a tough one for 75 seconds, but we got this. If you have to stop after a minute, that's fine, take a little longer break. If you wanna take a breather during the interval, perfectly okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go, boom, boom. Nice and easy. Just move with me a little bit. Like I said, I don't want you to overdo it. I want you to do enough, but you can still come back tomorrow. to this channel or any other channel, or go for a walk, or do whatever you want. Come on, keep it up. Less than a minute left. Just give me a little bit of twist and a little bit of twist in the other direction. That's all we got. If you are new here, 99% of my workouts I'll film right here from my basement. So if I can do it in my house, if you have a little bit of room, this room is very small, it's probably 7 feet, 8 feet wide, you can perform most of my workouts. Sometimes we use dumbbells, sometimes we use a kettlebell, and sometimes we use resistance bands. But they're all done right here. Keep it up. 10 seconds left, let's go. Push it for a few more seconds, few more reps. This is a 15-minute workout. We crossed the 6-minute threshold, I should say. 2, 1, we have 9 minutes left. And what we got next? Straight leg march. So just stand up nice and straight, and just gonna kick that leg out in front of you, as high as it goes. I'm not gonna go very high. 3, 2, 1, and just march. Straight legs. Good hamstring stretch while you're at it, and hip mobility. Both things I like a little bit off. That's okay. Doesn't stop me from trying to get better at it. Let's go. Come on. Straight legs. Keep marching. Keep marching. Good posture. Shoulders back. Chest out. Keep going. "30 seconds left. Keep at it. Don't stop now. 20 seconds. 10. We're halfway done with the workout. Moving right along. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. Guys, if you see me losing balance or being out of breath or anything, my workouts are your workouts. These are filmed in one take. I'm here with you working out. All right, now we're going to a horse stance jab. So a little bit of a horse stance, so spread your legs out, bend your knees a little bit. We're just going to be punching across. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Twist the body a little bit. 2. Get that core behind that punch. It's not just arms, it's a twist. Twist. All that power comes from that core and those hips and those glutes. Keep punching. "45 seconds left. Across that body. Boom. Boom. Keep going. Make sure you stay in that horse stance, very important. "25 seconds left, keep going. I know, arms are starting to hurt, that's okay. "10 seconds, keep it up. 3, 2, 1, there we go. All right, now we got a front lunge. Excuse me. As you lunge forward, you do not have all the way down to the ground. Step forward, give me a little bit of a lunge, and jump back to where you started from. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. Ready? Forward, just a little lunge, and back. Forward, and a little lunge. As far as I want you to go. If you have any kind of knee pain at this point, just step forward and step back. Otherwise, give me a little bit of a bend and back. Bend and back. Come on, we got this. Let's go. Moving a little bit more every day. If you're like me, you go outside and just start walking around the block like this. People look at you funny, but you know what? I'm doing something healthy and something good. Maybe they can all learn something, right? Yes, I do this in front of my house a lot of times. 25 seconds left. Keep stepping forward. Keep lunging. Ten seconds. Keep it up. We only have 4.5 minutes of working out left. Looking good, guys. Feeling better. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and shake those legs out. Very leg heavy towards the end of these workouts. So now we're going to do something similar to the pickup that we already did. But now we're going to get a nice wide stand. We're going to pick up from one side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up and down on the other side. Up, down, up, down. Not just cardio, also a little bit of mobility in every plane, right? Left, right, diagonally, up, down. You gotta keep moving. If this is too easy, obviously you can grab a weight and do this. All these workouts are very easily scaled. But for now, keep it up. 40 seconds left. Let's go. Up, down, pick up, and down on the other side. I don't know what we're lifting, because it's very repetitive, but we are lifting something and putting it down. And down. Boom. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. All right. What do we got? 2 exercises left? 2 exercises left, guys. We're done. So we have 2.5 minutes of working out. Finito. Enough moving for the day. If you want to move more, obviously, go ahead. So now we're doing backward lunge. Same concept as before, but we're stepping back. Ready? Back and a little lunge. Back and a little squat. There we go. Lunge back and bounce back. 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 Looking good. Keep it up. We have a minute left in this exercise, a minute and 15 seconds left in the other exercise that's left over. We are almost done. Look at me when you squat back, or lunge back I should say, and let's go. 45 seconds left. Keep it up. Almost there. Almost there. Keep it up. 25 seconds left. Leg heavy. Nice to work the legs. As we get older, leg strength is so important. You gotta catch your balance. Even if you do fall awkwardly, if you have stronger legs, you know what? You can get yourself up off the ground. You're not gonna break anything, you're not gonna get hurt. 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1 second, and relax. We have 1 exercise left. We're gonna get back to that horse stance and kind of shimmy to the left and shimmy to the right, and a little bit of a squat in between. So bend those legs a little bit, right here, and just gonna go to my left. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. That's all the room I got. Squat. And 1, 2, 3. And squat. That's it. We're just repeating this last exercise. And squat. 1, 2, 3. Squat. 1, 2, 3. Looking good. 50 seconds left. Squat. Come on. 1, 2, 3. And squat. 1, 2, 3. And squat. 2, 3. Boom. 30 seconds left. We got this. Now it's in the bag. As they say, 1, 2, 3. Squat. 1, 2, 3. And a little squat. 1, 2, 3. Squat. 1, 2. We got 10 seconds left, so we can get there, and then we can get back. 3. Squat, and let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3. and squat. Look at that perfect timing, guys. Thank you for joining me today, Fit After 50. This is our very friendly, beginner-friendly, I thought it was pretty beginner-friendly workout. My name is Paul. Like I said, this is Fit After 50. God, I can't speak, probably because I'm out of breath. Workouts come out every Monday and every Thursday. Once again, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.